Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I have a follow-up video on my Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires. My last video was all about what fits inside this little cutie here. Technically considered an SLG, a small leather good, but I am using this as a really easy grab and go mini bag, and I wear it as a crossbody. So I'm going to show you today 6 different ways to wear this bag. I'm going to call it a bag, even though it is an SLG. And this is the strap that the Pochette Accessoires comes with. It is a short vachetta strap, and because it is vachetta, I probably will not use it very much just because I am a little timid about vachetta leather in general. I did spray down the tab here, and I showed a quick video of that on my Instagram account at Hello Catwalk City, same name as my channel. So if you want to go check that out, I did spray it down with Apple Guard to protect it from, any watermarks or water staining in the future if I get caught in the rain or the snow. But I didn't spray down the strap because I'm usually not a short shoulder strap girl, and I just don't see myself wearing this. But if I do start wearing it, before I do, I will spray it down. So for those of you who are a little bit afraid of spraying any leather, I can assure you that Apple Guard works really well on Louis Vuitton vachetta leather. So this is the sprayed piece, and then this over here on the right is the virgin vachetta. And as you can see, there is really no marked difference between the two in terms of color, except that this is now protected from water and this piece here is not. So I'm going to pull this off because obviously this is the first way you can wear the Pochette Accessoires, which is on your shoulder as a short shoulder bag. But I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to show you 5 other ways that you can wear this bag. It's really, really versatile. So if you have any other Louis Vuitton bags that come with long shoulder or crossbody straps that are removable, such as the Pochette Métis or even the Speedy B, then you can absolutely clip it right on to these hooks here. So let me show you my Pochette Métis strap. Here it is. It is adjustable and just really easy. I'll show you. I will not be doing mod shots in this video, but I do have mod shots on my Instagram. So I did post a few photos of me wearing this with the Pochette Métis strap recently, and I wore it with a few different outfits, mostly casual, and it was really easy. I actually like the proportion of the bag against the strap. I think the strap is light and easy. It's not too thick. It's not heavy. And it works really well. You can wear this long on your shoulder, but for me, my preference is to wear this crossbody. It's just really easy so I can have my hands free. So that's the second way you can wear it. And let me pull this off real quick. It's super easy. Okay, let's move that to the side. And again, you can do that with the Speedy B strap as well. Also, you can just use it like this, as a little clutch or as a pouch. So you can just carry it like this. It's not super formal. I wouldn't use this, at a very formal evening event because it is this, monogrammed canvas. But if you're just on the go and you're being fairly casual or maybe even semi-formal on the weekends, you can just use this like a little cute little clutch, and I think it works really sweet. And the size is good that it fits quite a bit in terms of your daily essentials, your phone, your keys, some makeup, that sort of thing. So yeah, I think that's one way. And I know a lot of people use this as almost like a organizer or small pouch, although it's not that small. As you can see, in comparison to the mini pochette, it is considerably larger. But some people throw this in like this without a strap into their larger bags, such as like the Neverfull, which I don't own, you guys know that. But if you are a tote bag girl, then if you want more organization, you can just throw something like this in there. And this, by the way, the mini pochette does fit inside the Pochette Accessoires. So if you want a little bit more detail about that, then just go back to my last video and you'll see all that fits inside the Pochette Accessoires. So now we're getting into the fun part, because I ordered a really pretty gold chain that matches this bag so well. I ordered it off of Etsy, and I posted a few photos of the chain and the bag together on my Instagram, and I got so many questions and so many DMs about where did I buy the chain, just all the details. So I have some really, really exciting news. First, let me show you the chain. It is from Etsy. It came in this cute little gold foil package. Shipping was pretty quick. The company is called Organize My Bag. Let me open it. I purchased the 43-inch chain. Let's see here. So this is the 43-inch. I believe this is considered the short length. There is extra short, short, medium, and long, or maybe even extra long. There are multiple options, but let me give you a close-up. So this chain here, the reason why I chose this particular one is because the gold color and the shine, you know, there's dull, matte, shine, extra shiny, polished, all different tones and finishes for gold. This polish very much resembles, is pretty much nearly identical to the Louis Vuitton hardware. And the links, the oval links like this is very reminiscent of the Felicie chain. So for those of you who have the Felicie Pochette, you will recognize this as being very similar. Even the clasp here is very much like a Louis Vuitton clasp. I will show you. So on the mini pochette, you have different links, smaller, definitely much smaller, more delicate to match, kind of to balance the size of the mini pochette. But look at the clasp. It is very similar. I don't think that from, 10 feet away you could tell the difference, because the shape and the size is almost identical. And again, you see the polish and the gold color is very much a match. So this is a super fun chain. It was $39 plus tax, and then that includes shipping. So Natalie, who is the owner of this company, Organize My Bag on Etsy, I reached out to her and I let her know that, I've been receiving a lot of interest from my Instagram friends after posting photos of this chain, and she offered a 10% discount for all of you guys. So if you go to Etsy and you look up Organize My Bag, I will actually link the direct link in my description box down below. So if you want the exact same chain, you can find it in the description box. But she's offering a 10% discount for all of my subbies and all my IG friends. So all you have to do is, when you're ready to place the order, you enter the promo code CATWALK10. Okay, it's all lower caps, catwalk, like catwalk in my channel name, Hello Catwalk City. So CATWALK10, the number 10, 10. That's it, and I'll put that in the description box as well, so that you have the promo code to plug in there. So I'm going to show you really quickly how this looks, and I did post, or I haven't yet, but I will post plenty of mod shots with this chain. I will do pictures of me wearing this crossbody, shoulder. I will show you all the different ways, all the different lengths. So go onto my Instagram. If you're not already following me, I really think that these mod shots on my Instagram will be helpful. And for reference, I am about 5'5" tall and about 115 pounds, and I am very small chested. So I share that. I have like a very typical, stereotypical Asian frame. The reason why I share my height, weight, and my small chest is because I think that will matter in determining the length of the chain that you order. So again, I ordered the 43-inch chain, and that is actually a couple of inches shorter than my Pochette Métis strap. And the reason why I deliberately ordered a shorter one is because this bag is smaller. So look at the difference. It's much shorter than the Pochette Métis. And therefore, when I put it on my body, this Pochette accessoire actually sits lower than the Pochette Matisse because this has several inches of height up here, and so it comes up on my body. So I hope that makes sense. And so I thought, let me try the shorter one, the 43-inch one, instead of the medium, which I believe is 46 inches. And it worked out perfectly because, as you will see in the mod shots that I post, it hits me right at my hip when I wear it crossbody and slightly below my hip when I wear it shoulder. And then I have some other fun ways to style it, which I will be showing you very shortly. So here it is, really simple. I think the balance of the chain and the canvas bag go really nicely together. The chain is not too big, it's not too chunky, it certainly doesn't overwhelm the bag. I just think it adds a really feminine, chic, sophisticated touch to it. It's very delicate, and I wish you could feel the weight of this chain. It is not too heavy, and it's also not feather light. It's just perfect in my opinion. Now I'm going to share some interesting detail with you. When I pull this all the way up like so, and I measure the drop length all the way down to here, it is about 22 inches in drop length. And I looked up on the Louis Vuitton website what is the drop length of the Felicie Pochette, because it's so similar, size and all of that is so similar, and it said it was 21.8 inches in drop length, so super similar. And so if you like the Felicie Pochette chain and how it sits on you, then I do think that the 43-inch chain will work well. If you're taller, I'd say go for a slightly longer chain, and if you're more petite, maybe go for the extra short one. Okay, so enough about the lengths. I am going to show you, so this is obviously the third way you can wear it, or third and fourth way, because this can be crossbody and it can also be shoulder. But let me get this clasp off. When you loop this through, and this is the fun part of chains, they're so versatile, you can play around with them. They're a little different from the non-chain straps, right? So you loop it through and you put both clasps on one side, and it becomes a double strapped shoulder chain? Shoulder chain. Yeah, shoulder strap. So I do have mod shots of me wearing a bag like this too. It's super cute. Whether you put it in the crook of your arm or you just hang it on one shoulder, I feel like it's just really easy, and it looks a little bit more dressed up than if you were to wear it, let's say like long crossbody. But then, so this is the fifth way, right? But then there is a sixth way. And I did experiment with this to see, and I actually love the sixth way. It might be my favorite way to use the chain, just from a grab and go standpoint. So let me pull this out. So here I've pulled it out again, and I'm gonna loop it just one more time. Okay, and you're like, what the heck? It's actually really cute, and this is what I posted on my Instagram. And after seeing a photo of the tripled chain strap, I got a lot of DMs and questions. So this is what you guys saw. So here it is, tripled up. And believe it or not, it does fit on my shoulder, so I can wear this as a shoulder bag still, even though it's really short. It's not too short. So I took some photos of me wearing it like this, but rather than to wear it shoulder, I just love how it looks like this. Just grab and go. So easy. And if you're wearing a puffy coat, let's say it's winter, or you're wearing a lot of layers, this may not fit over all those layers. Oops, hold on one second. Sorry about that. Someone was calling my landline. I'm one of those few people on this planet that still has a landline. Okay, so this looks really pretty like this. It just kind of looks like jewelry. I love it. It's eye candy. So I love the tripled up effect. And so this is really the sixth way that you can wear the Pochette Accessoire. First is long. Oh, I should say the first is with the vachetta strap that it comes with. Second is the Pochette Matisse, or maybe Speedy B, or some other Louis Vuitton strap that you have that you can just throw on and wear casually. Third, you can just wear it as a pouch or a clutch with no strap. And then fourth, fifth, and sixth are really with this gold chain. You can play around with it. Look how pretty that is. So I've done it single, I've done it double, and I've done it triple, and they all work out really, really beautifully. So I hope this video was helpful. I know a lot of you guys were asking questions, and I wanted to basically follow through with a video as quickly as possible, and also with mod shots on my Instagram as quickly as possible, especially because Natalie from Organize My Bag on Etsy is generously offering the 10% promo code to all of you guys. Again, it's Catwalk10. So if you are interested in getting the exact same chain, I'll link it down below. And if you're maybe on the market for a different kind of chain, she's got a lot of options on her shop site. So take a look and let me know what you guys think, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, we are all about luxury handbags here and just lots of fun and sharing cool information. So I would love for you to join the fun. Till next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.